How to change the name on the Roblox. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your name in the Roblox. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to log in your Roblox. So now once you are in, you have to go on the home page, and once you are in the home page, here in the top right corner there is the gear icon. You just have to click on it and you have to go on the settings of the Roblox. So now once you are in the settings of your Roblox application, what you have to do is you have to go on the account info, and here in the top there is basically two options. Now the one is the display name, and if you click on it, and here you can change it. Now your display name can only be changed once every 7 days, so what you have to do is change it and save the changes. But before the 7 days you are not able to change your display name. And if you go on the username and click on it, now in this insufficient funds you need 1000 coins more to change your username, and after that you just have to click on the buy, and you have to go on the username buy of the Robux. So once you get the coins, you just have to click on the username and you are able to change your username also. So that's how you can change the both names of the display and the username in your Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.